Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, sorry, the Xbox. That's a beep on, beep off fault, so not for now. So, today we had a Xbox One S. We were dealing with, these are two boards for Xbox One S. So, I will add a photo on our blog on inte.team with not only voltages but as well ohms. If you need it more urgently, just comment, I can share it with you. But we have here an Xbox. Which one it is? It's this. This has all the components, so this one. So when you plug it in, and it's a good one, you should feel the heat of the APU and of the south bridge. You don't have to have thermal camera to do it. If you're just switching the power on, you should have them both warm up, and then they shouldn't reach huge temperatures and it should naturally go cool back to standby. Okay, that's how Xbox One S model 1681 behaves. And then you know that it might be a good board. Yes. Now, here on this board, we've seen that the 12 volts coming in, the 5 volts are present, and there is a problem with 3.3 volts. Then we have noticed, by injecting about 2 volts in the area where 3.3 volts should be, we've used those two here. Yes, here, because that's the area where we've injected. Then we've noticed that this chip and here is missing stuff as well as lighting up. So I said to my technician, remove that what is heating up, let's take out of the equation south bridge as the last resource. Yes, so he removed it and one more diode has lit up, and I said remove it as well. He removed that, and then only what lit up was the south bridge. So I've spoken with Stevie B on Facebook, and he said to me that it's okay to swap south bridge. So we've got Xbox One S boards here, and we will be replacing to fix it. I've never replaced on One S south bridges, to be true, and I can't say if this will be a successful one, but I thought I'll share it with you because this way you understand more how we diagnose things. Yes, if this will work, I will pin in the comment down below a message if this was successful or not, or we maybe found something else. But we've got in general south bridges, and the preheater is always here because we're using it quite often. Not always, but quite often. So we will be doing that. Yes, and you can wish us luck. It will be done Monday, and the video will be released probably on Sunday. So yeah, day after or 2 days after we will be doing it. So again, you can wish us luck, and hopefully we can do it. If you are not watching this video as a new one, you can observe the comment section, and you can see if we've managed to replace that chip and or not. I've got balls from 0.2 to 1 millimeter, and I've got universal stencils. The only problem is you need to use low heat on them because they are rubbish, to be true. If somebody has a link to really good stencils, please let me know down in the comments below, because my stencils are really bad, and I'm big trouble, of getting a decent stencil to do the jobs. All I need is universal ones. I don't care that I won't have the perfect for PS5 Southbridge or something. I can be okay with as long as I will have something for either paste or the balls, and as long as I will have it decent so we can put those 300 degrees or something, melt it, and not bend the stencil like these are doing. Yes, so yeah, so if somebody can, please comment down below with a URL where we can buy them. And guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. If possible, let's fix them all.